Small technical difficulty, but we're back. So I suppose this is chapter 3 now. I've got a 14-year-old ThinkPad computer. It's from 2008. It has Windows 10, but it does still like to freeze up once in a while.
This verb.
Oh man.
What? I think you're in the way a bit there. Come on, Bubba. I apologize, this isn't hugely exciting, but at this stage, top tip to get your segment clean is to just spend the time. Go absolutely crazy on the detail, wipe every single type bar. Clean set of teeth is the best welcome for a typewriter. For those who care to know, this is a number 8. Now I come to realize I just took out the screws out of this machine. It's because I know what each screw looks like. I've done so many of these, you grow familiar with them. If you don't, and I probably should have said this earlier, it's always good to take a few photographs, you know? And just if you're not familiar with your typewriter, make sure you log whatever you take apart so you know how to put it back together. And I realize this is what, chapter 3? I should have said this as a caution at the start of chapter 1. But work on these at your own discretion. And I probably don't have to tell you that. So, but yeah, just a heads up. Mark your stuff if you don't know what you're doing. Type bar rest. Still in good shape, just needs to be cleaned. And this gives me a good chance to clean underneath the type bars. Now I've got these elastics for hair. They're good to hold the type bars together if you want.
Looking for royalty-free music? Discover Epidemic Sound. Get the safest music subscription for content creators.
Every person working on typewriters will benefit from these. Get yourself a box of Dollarama cotton swabs. You'll blow through a million of these, but they help with the job.